today we have Betty Perez here with Sydney Walker. And Sydney, can you just explain a little bit of what Betty needs to do?
Betty, which option is side, side, side?
I'm gonna go and say option A.
Well, Betty, I'm sorry to tell you this, but option A is incorrect. Option B was the correct choice. Option A is side, angle, side. Option A is side, side, side. And now I'm going to explain to you why. So, in option A, or option B, AB is congruent to DF. AB is congruent to DF, and BC is congruent to DE, and AC is congruent to EF. And that is our given statement. And then, so we are able to imply that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE, making that our side, side, side. And I'm sorry to let you know that since you have guessed incorrectly, you do not get to eat the cookie.
I don't want the cookie.
But thanks for the good effort, Betty. You're still a star in my book. And thanks for joining us on today's show. Have a nice day. So today we're here with Sydney and Nate, and Sydney has a question for Nate.
Which option is side, angle, side?
Well, due to the congruency of the side and angles in option A, that will be my selection.
Way to go, Nate. You're correct. Now, I'll explain why. So, DC is congruent to BC, and AC is congruent to EC, which is our given. And so angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD, making that our vertical angle. And in the end, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ECB, making that side, angle, side. Yeah.
So today we have Emma and Alex, and Emma will be asking Alex a question.
So, Alex, could you please find the option that is angle, side, angle, please? Option A or B?
Option A. Option A.
Way to go! You got it right!
Yay!
Now, I'll explain why. So, FEH bisects DFG, and that is our given. And angle G is congruent to angle D, which is our other given. And EF is congruent to EF, making that our reflexive property. And angle DFE is congruent to angle GFE, making that our definition of bisect. So, triangle DFE is congruent to triangle GFE, making that our angle, side, angle. And DE is congruent to GE, making that our CPCTC. And angle DEH is congruent to angle GEH, making that our congruent supplements. And finally, FEH bisects DEG, making that our definition of bisector. And since Alex got the question right, he gets to eat